Chrissy, we have an attorney in our office named Robert Hidock. He's not here today, but he's often here on Fridays. But Robert is the guy that helps people to protect their life savings from nursing homes and get them qualified for Medicaid. And, we continue to get quite a few clients that are taking advantage of that service. And I'm always amazed at how many people Robert can help with that process. I mean, I think if you were here today, you'd say, Tom, there's not been a single client yet that I could not help. But I'm continually amazed about the wide variety of assets that people have that Robert is able to protect from nursing homes, including last week a couple of people that literally had families, businesses that were able to be protected.
It's really a wonderful, and we know because we are about first educating people and then of course helping people. And so you're right, it's wonderful to really see that Robert is able to help many different clients. And it really starts by Robert's workshop.
Right.
And that workshop, which is how to protect your life savings from nursing homes, it is a 1-hour free workshop, and it is well worth your time. And the other thing, Tom, is why is it so important? Because they do their estate planning with us. However, that estate planning also needs to be protected if they had to go into a nursing home.
Exactly. It's kind of a package deal. We're going to take care of everything for the client, their estate planning, and protecting their life savings from nursing homes. Hey, folks, my name is Tom Olsen. The name of the show is Olsen Law. You're listening to WDBO.